Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class once again. This is Rani Ranjan, your English teacher, and today I am going to teach you English literature of class 3. Children, I hope all of you understood about the chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift, and today I will discuss about its question answer. But before going to discuss that, let us recapitulate this chapter once again. As it was the story related to a boy whose name was Benjamin and he loved to draw the picture. But his parents did not want him to draw anything. By chance, while once he was alone in his home with his little sister, he drew the picture of his sister with the help of a piece of cardboard and a charcoal. And when it was seen by his parents, they were surprised to see and decided to ask the priest who had come to visit them. And do you know, children, what did the priest tell? He told that in future this boy will grow up to be an honor to their country. And the words of the priest came true. Now, children, let us discuss about its question answer. Part A. Answer these questions in brief. Question number 1. When did Benjamin draw a picture of his baby sister? The answer is Benjamin drew a picture of his baby sister when his mother went out for some work and she told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. Question number 2. What did Benjamin use to draw the picture? Its answer is Benjamin used a piece of cardboard and a black charcoal to draw the picture. Question number 3. How did Benjamin's mother first feel when she saw the picture that he drew? What did she do? Its answer is when Benjamin's mother saw the picture that he drew, she was overjoyed and she hugged and kissed him. Question number 4. Why did Benjamin's mother worry about the picture he drew? What did she think about it? Its answer is Benjamin's mother was worried about the picture that he drew because she did not know whether it was the right thing to do or not. Question number 5. Who said that Benjamin had a wonderful gift? Its answer is the priest said that Benjamin had a wonderful gift. Now, children, this is the part B. Answer these questions. Your question number 1 is his father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. What were such things? Children, its answer is Benjamin's parents did not think it was right to spend money for the pictures and their bright and beautiful colors. Your second question is the picture grew as the charcoal touched the cardboard. What picture was it? Its answer is it was the picture of Benjamin's baby sister. Children, your third question is Benjamin's father did not answer. What question did Benjamin's father not answer? Its answer Benjamin's father did not answer when his wife asked about the picture drawn by Benjamin. Benjamin's mother asked if the picture drawn by him looked like her little daughter. Question number 4. The priest looked at the picture for a long time. Why do you think the priest did so? Its answer will be, children, the priest looked at the picture for a long time out of appreciation. He could not believe that such a young child could make such a beautiful picture. Now, question number 5. And the words of the priest came true. What words were these? Your answer is, children, the priest told that Benjamin will grow up to be an honor to their country. These words of the priest came true. So, children, I think you all understood about the question answer of this chapter. Okay, children? Now, I will send you these all the question answer in your written home assignment also on your group. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.